Hello, welcome back to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm going to do a quick brief intro and we're going to move right along. Okay, so this is all about Forever 21, my latest venture there, so stay tuned. Okay, you guys, I was so excited. You know I love Forever 21. I love going there whenever I go to the mall. So I did not know, I guess I am on the late freight, that they actually had makeup and skincare products. I was like, oh no, and when did this happen? So anyways, here's my little bag from Forever 21, and I'm like, okay honey, I took everything out. I'm definitely gonna do a review at a later date of the cosmetics, but I bought a few cute things and I wanna show you guys. So first and foremost, I did not find foundation. Maybe it was the Forever 21 that I went to that just didn't have any. I don't know. They had absolutely no foundation. So I did find this cream contour palette, which I will definitely be reviewing. And so it's 6 contouring shades. So loving that. I also picked up, and I'm going to give you the prices of all of this. Okay, so the contour cream, let me see here. Okay. Let me see, the contour cream, where is it? Where is it? Okay. I don't know. I don't know how they have their products labeled. Okay, so this is Space Contour Powder. It's not a powder though, it's a cream. Anyways. All right. This was $7.90. That's the whole point of it anyways. I don't really care what the name of it is. It was the fact that it was $7. Okay, so then I got, this is the bronzer palette. I'm definitely going to do a review because these shades look really nice. And this one was probably, it was $5.90. Okay? Hello. I can't believe it. And then, of course, I had to pick up the blush. I was a little disappointed because it's a little, I don't know, it's cracked a little bit on the inside, but oh well. When I open it, I'll just dust it off. And I read that you could actually spray hairspray on your product and it'll dry, like any powdered product that's broken or cracked. Okay, so let's see now the blush. Come on, blush. The blush was $5.90 too. I don't see anything different with these colors and shades than any other brand. Hello, let me just be honest. Okay, and then I got, this is the contour palette for eyes, brows, and face. And this basically has everything. And this thing right here, it's ridiculous. This was $10.90, a whopping under $11, okay, for all of this. Okay, so we're definitely going to be trying this out. And then I decided, okay, I got the liquid eyeliner. It doesn't really say if it's waterproof. So that's a tricky one. It does not say. But it's all Forever 21. I got it in black. And the liner was a whopping, oh my gosh, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? $3.90. I'm laughing because this is great. This is how e.l.f. Actually started out. Their prices were very, very reasonable. They've gone up a bit now. Okay, so then this is a matte lipstick, cute color. I will be reviewing it. This is Plum. All the lipsticks were $3.90. Okay, so you can get eyeliner, lipstick, all of that for under $4. Here's another shade that I picked up. I did get 3. What is this? Yeah. And this is another one. This is kind of cute. This is Hydrating Shimmer Lipstick. And I'm like, okay. And I was like, okay, let me see what else they got here. I saw a girl on YouTube. I don't know what the hell she was doing, but I was like, what is she using? I can't remember who it was. But what happened was, this is a facial massager, okay? And they had it at Forever 21. And the facial massager, okay, where the hell is this? I know it wasn't much. Okay. Like $12. $12. I can't open it right now, but I am going to show you guys this, and I'm going to massage my face with this. And then I also saw this, like this eye massager. I know this is from China or somewhere. I don't know what it is, but it was at Forever 21. And the eye massager, check. I don't even know if she charged me for this. Okay. $3.90. I kid you not. So all of these products, a whopping $63 plus tax. Okay. I'm like, okay, Forever 21, I don't see why this wouldn't be as good as any other product, but I am going to review it. I'm going to try it. So let me know if you guys actually have ever shopped for makeup at Forever 21. I'm so excited to hear. Don't forget to click the JB and subscribe to this little family. Click the notification bell so that you'll know exactly when I'm uploading videos. And also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and check out my blog, Jacqueline's Beauty Blog. I thank you guys so much for all of your support, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty, and join this happy little family, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.